A gotcha stick is a tool that was designed around the OSHA standards. The goal here is when you have a machine that has a safety hazard, you want to make sure that the mechanical guard is spaced far enough away from that hazard, and if that guard has holes or gaps in it, that if you do have an opening, that opening is designed so it's far enough away from the hazard so the operator can't get hurt. I'm going to introduce the hazard, which is that wheel that's going to rotate. So that's the hazard that we introduced. Question is, if I have polycarbonate guard, can I hit that hazard? If I have a wire mesh, can I go through that opening and still hit that hazard? And that's where this becomes a very critical tool. So let's put this gotcha stick into action. The polycarbonate is fixed. I can't hit the hazard because that's a fixed panel. On the left side is I have a wire mesh which has a 1-inch opening. So I'm going to introduce the gotcha stick to the hazard. You can see that that opening is too close for that hazard. Now on the polycarbonate panel I have a 1/2-inch diameter hole. It's approximately 4 inches away from the hazard. So this doesn't allow me, it allows me to go about 2.5 inches, not the 4 inches. So if I had a mechanical guard and I had an opening of a 1/2 inch, I'm safe. MPSA came up with this safety trainer to help educate our customer bases out there. A lot of people are taking advantage of it just to get the principles of machine safety. So that is how you use a gotcha stick. To learn more about MPSA or to pick up your own gotcha stick, please go to our MPSA website. To get a complimentary one, please use our services found on our website for risk assessments. And while we're at your facility, we'll make sure you get one at that time for free.